Hi, this is Jason Alton. I'm actually really sad. I got my iPod 4th generation, and yeah. Anyway, I dropped it. It cracked. You know the whole story. I went to go fix it. Bought this part on Amazon, but now when I put it back together, I got a white screen. Nothing but white screen. Push all the buttons. Anywho. You see push fire button, turns back to white. Here, let me put it down for a second. Push the power button and hold that at the same time when does not work. Okay. So how you actually fix your iPod is this, okay? First of all, you have to subscribe to my channel. I have another video that's hidden and you can only see it to subscribers, but I don't really care. Anyway, how you do it is this. Well, I'm holding the home button too, you probably can't see. Voila! Just kidding.